This is the beauty of electric cars. We always say, we enjoy plugging it and waking up in the morning with a full charge, but currently I'm not doing that. Right, good evening everyone. Just wanted to show you the issues that I'm having at the minute. I'm trying to charge my Tesla Model 3 and it's not working out. I don't know what's happening. Right, I'll open that there. Then I'll put this on there and you listen to this sound. This is what I'm getting on my Model 3, and it then comes on there, and this is what it says on the charge port: latch not engaged. So I'm not too sure what else I need to do, because I've been having this issue now for some. Right, that looks like it's it does that, and I can just lift this off like that. It's still not engaged. So I know some people might say, oh yeah, it's your car, or it's your charger. This is the Model Y that we have as well. So I will show you exactly that there's nothing wrong with this charger. I'll open up the Model Y there and I'll plug it there. All plugged, all good, all ready to charge. There you go. It's charging. So my port point, there's nothing wrong with the port point. Everything is fine. But for some reason, when I take it off, I'll show you on the model. There it is. It's fine, and it's already starting its charge now. It's 6 kilowatt. So it's already charging. It will stop because it's set on the Octopus Intelligent Go tariff, so it will stop in a minute. But as you can see, there's nothing wrong with the charger. So I'll undo that like that, remove that, and take it to the Model 3. This is my Model 3 there. Take it to the Model 3 like so. So I'm using the light on the phone, and I'm also using that phone to open up. There we go. There you go. There's the sound that I'm getting, and it's not really locking in. I've got 12%. You don't want that. Tomorrow is a busy day. I've got a lot of driving to do tomorrow. The other car is going to central London, so the Model Y is going to London, so this car is the one doing the school runs tomorrow. So I am having this issue, and for some reason it's not going deep enough. It's not even going deep enough, and now I can't even go in. Right, I've taken it off. It shuts. I'll try again. The only option I have now is to go and do fast charging. Yeah, nothing here. It's not going to do anything. It's not going to lock. Tesla changed all that. That part for me was changed. Tesla changed everything, because I was having this issue, but not as bad as now. This is all a new housing. All this is new, and this is now even worse. I'm tempted to just take a day off tomorrow, and take it back. And the service center, they only work Monday to Friday, so they don't work on over the weekend. So I might have to take a day off tomorrow and take it back to Tesla for them to see. So, but this is going to cost me now for time and everything else, just to put it on a fast charger. so that I've got a charge for tomorrow. Disappointing, really, really disappointing, because there's nothing wrong with my charger. I don't know what they've done, Tesla themselves. If I try again for the last time, push it in as much as I can. Yeah, it's not even. Oh, it's locked now. Goodness. Oh, that has worked. And if I look at the app, it looks like it's logged in. Yeah, all fine now. Spoke too much, didn't I? Spoke too early, but it looked like it was in. It looked like it was in. Oh man. Now it's unlock port. It looked like I had managed it. Oh, unlock. There. Nothing on the phone. Looks all right there. Is it going to start charging? Yep. It's locked. It's not locked, is it? It pretends that it's locked. Then it comes off. It pretends to be locked. Then it comes off. Right. So, yeah. Not good. Don't feel great about this at all. Absolutely disappointing, because you don't want to be fighting chargers in the middle of the night. You just want to plug your car and you make your way. And this is not locking anymore. It's not locking. I can still take this off. I'm pulling it now at the minute. It's locked, but I don't think it's going to charge. If I change that to now, so it start charging now immediately. I've changed it on the app. Heard that noise? Yeah. We pride ourselves as electric car drivers of being able to charge our cars without any issues. It's charging currently at 3 kilowatts. So we pride ourselves on plugging our cars and going to bed. 4 kilowatts, yeah, that's fine. But I've had to change it now. Instead of the schedule, I've had to change it to charge now. So it's now at 6 kilowatts. I've got 30 minutes before the cheap rate. I can sacrifice the cheap rate for 30 minutes. But this is, you don't want this. It's not something you want, to be honest. But yeah, I will need to talk to Tesla. Definitely, without doubt. I'm now scared if I change it to the schedule, but no, I'll take the 30 minutes. I'll take the 30 minutes, that's for sure. I'll let it charge in peak hours. It's unfortunate, really, but I've got no choice. But yeah, that's the problem I'm having. This is the beauty of electric cars. We always say, we enjoy plugging it and waking up in the morning with a full charge, but currently I'm not doing that. I've had to press it more, to push it through. So this one, the Y, charge is fine, no problem, but the 3 is the one. This is the one that I bought second hand from Tesla. So I bought it with 21 plate. So it's still charging, so yeah, I'll take that. It's freezing, out here, and yeah, it's not been great. It's been trying. So yeah, thank you very much for watching the video, and hopefully if you've got any news on how or what's causing this before Tesla tell me, I'll really appreciate it. So do comment. I don't want to, cars have problems, they do have problems, but I don't want to hammer Tesla on this one just yet, because you do have problems with ICE vehicles as well. But yeah, I'm sure every electric car hater will be on the comments saying, yeah, this is electric, but yeah, every car can have a problem, and I'm currently having one at the minute. So anyway, thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.